Hey people, in this video, I want to show you the Wix Headless website I just built using Astro and Antigravity. Here, you can start with Wix Headless. If you don't know how, you can go and check the link given in the description. Here, I'm using the backend of Wix Studio or Wix as a backend for my blog post that fetches from Wix's backend and shows on or display it on the Astro website, right? The custom website I have. So as you can see, my website here, I'm using Wix as my host to host this website, right? And if you want, you can see the tools I'm using here. I'm using CMS as a Wix, blog for Wix, and static site generator for that I'm using Astro, and these JavaScript frameworks and everything else, right? Tailwind CSS, all these things I'm using in my project to build a site like this. So here I already have a website built and released with Wix's hosting, right? But I can connect to my domain later by just upgrading my site and connecting my domain with Wix in the backend. Here, I want to show you how I started building this website. First, I created a blank Astro project. If you go here to this Wix Headless documentation, you can find this amazing documentation by them. I know there are some things which are missing to this documentation, but I prefer you explore yourself by learning these things, right? So you start with a blank Astro project, and then what I did, I installed Tailwind CSS and asked it to generate a website for me using Wix skills, that MD file, and I wanted to use the blog. I wanted to connect my website with Wix's backend's blog so that if let's say you are a website owner and want to add blogs easily to your website, you can just go here. As you can see, I have 3 blogs right now, but you can go here and start creating a blog here, right? Let's say headline, your, your blog content, and then you can make changes to your blog. Let's say accept your image, that's totally up to you, right? Let's say for example ninth, and accept, you can add categories, tags, SEO, because Wix blogs are AO friendly and SEO friendly. You don't need to worry about anything here because you can do your stuff visually here, because that's what you need in a website, right? So you can add this meta description, image, or anything you want from here, and you can simply just publish your blog and it will be visible to your users once it's live. It's published. If I just refresh my website here, as you can see, I have my 4th blog added from Wix backend, right? The website is on that. So for that, I use that blog skill here and ask Antigravity, this Gemini model, to create a blog for me. So don't focus on the design at the moment. I just wanted to show you how easy it is now to create a website like this. If you're already using Wix and want a big website, if you already have a big website and looking to redo your website, then this is the best approach you can go with, because not only blog, you can do so much more. You can add your e-commerce platform through these Wix Headless. You can add CMS through these Wix Headless services, and so many, like say booking and other services which you can definitely add to your site and make your site custom as per your stack requirements. Here, I just wanted to show you, that's why I used Astro. Otherwise, I can go with Next.js as well, right? So this is very easy to build something like this, and it is also SEO friendly website. So if I go here and if I just click on this website blog, and inside this blog, see, this blog is coming from Wix Headless. And if I do Control U or Command U and look for, let's say, description, right? So here's my description, the meta description, meta title, everything you can see, which description you can also find inside this blog. This is saying this is my post meta description, right? That's the content. And let's see if I already have that or not here in this SEO settings, and here the content, right? So it's very easy. You can create your blog and make your website AO friendly so that it is visible on all the platforms, whether it's AI platforms or Google Bing or Yandex, these platforms, right? Your website is visible on all the platforms. This was just, I wanted to show you how easy it is to build your new site with AI platforms in a day or in few hours, by just giving them these vibe coding things. To this Antigravity, you can use Cloud or you can use Cursor, but I prefer this platform. I really like this platform, that's why I'm using it. But you can use your preferred platform to build your Wix headless website. So yeah, that was it. If you want to learn more about Wix Headless, just let me know in the comment area so that I can create new tutorials for you. And also tell me in which category you want to build a site, right? For example, e-commerce or booking or anything, just let me know so I can create a video for you. Until next time, happy creating.